Hello, everyone, and Happy New Year. It's unbelievable that 2026 is already here. Today, I am going to show how I am going to replace my Me Plus planner. This is a Pueblo leather in personal size, which is comparable to the plotter in Bible size. So, this was filled with, of course, all the last year's stuff, and I am going to change all the content so that I am getting ready for this new year. So I've already gotten my inserts, which is all plotter inserts, by the way, because I just love the paper. The paper is really thin and it stands fountain pen as well. And then I also have some project manager folder, but I think I don't need this anymore because I already have folders inside. And for this year, I decided to try the plotter in 2026 weekly schedule. This is a 2-page per week. I bought this much earlier actually because I was afraid that this inserts will be out of stock. So I bought it in the September. It was before I actually discovered this layout. I like writing in horizontal way because I felt like when I'm writing, these rings doesn't come in my way. But since I've already bought this, I'm just going to go ahead and try out this weekly schedule inserts. So other inserts that I am going to put inside is my own inserts because the calendar, I'm giving a full box for it, especially for Saturdays and Sundays. If you notice in the actual plotter calendar, the section that was given for Saturdays and Sundays is only half of the actual day. In my case, Saturdays are my busiest day because I have a lot of activities for my daughters. So I need to put in as much information as I can. That's why I don't like the limited amount of space that was provided by the plotter calendar. So I'm going to put that in my own insert. And yeah, so I have been preparing this for quite some time. So I just put all of them in a box. So let's start replacing. These are the tabs that I have already put for my planner. And I'm going to maintain this because I have my own system and I follow my system all the time. And because of the system that I already have, it makes my daily planning a lot easier. If you feel like your planner isn't working, most of the time it's not because of the planner itself, but because you don't have a system of your own. So for me, I do have a system, and this is the system that I have done for myself. So what I'm going to do is I am going to remove some of the tab because this is a 2025 calendar, which will be the main calendar I will put on the planner, the inserts. So for example, this is a goals page. I already have a transparent page for it, so I am not going to remove them. See, for monthly, some of the pages I already have the transparent pages, so I'm just going to leave those pages, but I am going to remove the rest of the page. The beauty of this Me Plus planner or the plotter itself is that this is a ring planner and it's so much easier for me to just, rearrange the entire thing. So I'm going to I guess I'm going to remove most of the stuff so that it's easier for me to just replace them one by one. Okay, the one I'm leaving inside is my project folder because these do not change at all. Yeah, so I'm going to leave them inside. Okay, now let's begin from the bottom. So, okay, this is the project section. So that will be in there. And then this would be my finance section. So this is my business finance insert that I always update so that when I'm going to submit tax, I already have all this information and then I'll just update to produce a balance sheet and then I will submit my tax. So that I'm going to replace with a new folder. All right, so this is the new folder. This is from Me Plus itself. She's selling this insert. And I love this insert because one, it's colorful and it's foldable insert, which means I don't have to like flipping pages. It's a lot easier for me to just update my expenses in this insert itself. So at the back here, it has the financial goals, memo, and quarterly reviews. but I haven't figured out what am I going to use this for. So I'm just going to put this in, and that would be my expense section. So I didn't write expense, I just wrote dollar signs to automatically know that that's for that. So my old inserts, I am going to remove it. Okay, the reason why I'm removing it, I'm not going to just throw it away, but I will be putting it in an archive folder. Okay, this is to track my expense, which I'm using the plotter inserts. Okay, now that's done. So next is my list section. So this is my list. Okay, these are the important lists that I always take a look at, but this is the Diwali one. So Diwali preparation is only in October, so I'm going to just put this in archive, and the rest of the inserts I am going to add back inside. All right, so next is the, oh, okay, let me put this list inside. Okay, before I go further, I did receive comments that these tabs move. And for me, I never had that problem. I don't know whether it's because I'm using this transparent sheet. That's why it never moved, because it has some sort of a rough surface on it. So maybe if your tab is moving, try to put it on a rough surface as a tab section and then see whether it moves or not. So for me, I don't have that problem at all. So okay, now let's move on to daily section. So for daily section is where I'm going to put in the weekly schedule. So by the way, this is a 16 millimeter Me Plus. So if you have a original plotter only has 11 millimeter. So you are not going to be able to fit in all of this. So I'm going to just try my luck whether or not I can put the entire insert, but looks like I am not going to be able to do that. So I'm going to remove the main calendar because I already have mine. All right, I'm really pushing my luck in here. I don't think it's going to fit all of it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove half. I'm just going to put in the 6 months. All right, so first 6 months in here. Okay, so that will be my daily page. Okay, with this, I can see that I am already almost reaching the edge. So I'm going to start slotting in this side. So this is my own insert. So for what I have is I have the monthly section. I also have the quarterly section and the main calendar. So I am going to insert the month first. Oh no, I'm not supposed to insert the month. What I'm supposed to do is I'm supposed to insert the calendar first. Yep. These are my affirmations that I would like to include as well, which will be my goals. So that would be in the beginning itself. So I'm going to put this yearly and annual plan. And then I'm going to insert the goals. I'm sorry that it takes a while because, well, this is the problem that we have, and I'm trying to put in my entire system in a tiny planner. Okay, this is my affirmation. I put my affirmation in here because in the morning, I always like to affirm with these statements. And now I am going to put the quarterly calendar. Okay, and this is for monthly, and this is where the monthly is going to go. All right. Okay, now that's done. Let's close it. Ah, crap. So the problem is when you have reached to the brim, can you see these things will lift up and it won't entirely go inside. So I need to be really careful when I'm putting all of this in. So I have to press them and then close it. Okay, now all of it is inside. Okay, so here you go. Whoa, that is one thick planner, isn't it? All right. Okay, so this is a calendar. I gotta remove this tab, which I will be doing later. And this is my affirmation stuff. So I'm going to put AM on it so that I know that this is what I'm going to do in the morning. All right, okay, now that's done. All right, okay, so now let's take a look. I use a tab sticker. This is a transparent one, and I just like to choose the smallest font and then stick those tab. Okay, so this is the calendar. Let's take a look at my entire planner. This is the calendar, and this is an annual plan that I always like to put it in here so that whatever annual things are happening, I will update them here. And then this is the goal section, my affirmations, my audit system that I need to do for myself. And this is the quarterly section. And then this is my monthly calendar. This is dated. If you want to have this calendar, it's available in my shop, by the way, as a whole set. I will link the shop at the description box below. And then I have the daily section, which is from the plotter itself. So these are the dates. And the weekly sections are here, and here's some place for notes taking maybe. I haven't figured out how I'm going to do this, but I'm pretty sure that I'm going to fill those place up. And next is my list. These are the lists that I always take a look at, so I must have them in here. But right now, I'm trying to think whether it would be the best if I put them in my phone. So I'm still figuring that out. Okay, and these are some extra sheets. And then this is my finance section to track my spending. And then this is the business section. And then my project, which is from YouTube, for my brand, for my income tracking. And this is an empty folder. And these are some sticky notes, just in case if I need them. There's an additional sticky notes here as well. And this is my cash section. I made this folder on my own. And this is a ruler from Plotter as well. And this is space for any receipts or my ruler, any other important stuff. I will just put them in here. And this is my credit card section. And I also put in my cash in here as well. So yeah. So this is my archive, the place where I'm putting all my old inserts. So I am going to just put back all my old inserts in here. So as you can see, I also have the 2024. It still fits. So if I don't actually take a look at these pages, I may destroy them or keep them for remembrance. So I only keep what are the important ones. The least important stuff, I will just throw them away. So, okay, let's move to the front. All right, so I have put all of this in the archive. Okay, so this is the this month section, which I always use as my reference whenever I want to turn to the actual month page. See, it's easier to see, right? All right, so that's it for today. And I hope you enjoyed this video because I thought of just sharing with you guys how I'm changing the inserts when the new year comes. And that's my entire process. Because I have a system, I know exactly what needs to go where and what needs to stay and what needs to go and what I want to keep for reference. So I hope you have an idea how to create your own system. And if you want to set up your own system but really don't know how to, make sure that you hit the subscribe button and also the notification bell, because in my channel, I am going to teach you exactly that. And make sure that you try out the Planner DNA quiz that I have. I will have the link at the description box below. Go ahead and try it and you will figure out what sort of a planner you are. And I hope you have a wonderful year ahead. The 2026 will be the year where you have a great planning system. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.